I'll jump. Just go next to it. Tell me when.
I'm recording.
You're recording?
This is Josh. Where are you?
I'm in Upper Calf Creek Falls. Like Upper Calf Creek Falls.
What are you about to do?
Jump off into this freezing cold water.
Spring water?
Spring water.
Nice.
I'm not intimidated by the jump. I'm intimidated by the cold water.
Yeah?
I'm going to scream like a little girl.
You promise?
Yeah, here we go. It's cold! Cold one! Cold one! Cold one!
I hope you can make it in.
It's cold water!
Hey,
Oh my God.
are you gonna go slide now?
No!
It's the end of February down here in Calf Creek Falls, Escalante, Utah. There's still snow. There's still quite a bit of snow. How you feeling?
Can't feel anything.
You gonna do it again? It's really fun in the summer though.